This is everything I did and ate on my 24-hour trip to Whistler. Good morning and welcome to the vlog. So today is Friday, March 28th, and that means it's my birthday! So it's gonna be a fun couple of days, and I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along. Today, we are going to spend 24 hours in Whistler. It is 8:36 right now. We actually have a breakfast reservation at a cafe, and that's at 9:30, so we have to pack up all our stuff and head down there to make our reservation. But I'm excited to try this place out. Never tried it before. And then we'll drive up to Whistler. I've been wanting to try Maxine's for a while now. They had a really cute aesthetic interior, but the friendly staff made it even better. Every staff member I interacted with wished me a happy birthday, and they gave me this cute little card. We always order the same coffee everywhere we go. It may seem obsessive, but hey, how are you gonna find your favorite one? And don't get me started on these dishes. They were amazing, and I will be back to try more menu items. Road trips are always my favorite. The motion of being in a car has always been very soothing to me, and I find scenic views can't be matched. We made it to Whistler. I think our check-in is in 2 hours, so we have some time to kill. I think we might go into this grocery store here. I really want a cupcake. Your favorite.
So true.
Whoa, look at those jumbo chocolate chip muffins.
Wow.
And banana nut. You want one for the morning?
Probably.
Which one?
I don't know which one.
Only the 6-pack there. There's like those little cakes though. Those look so good.
Oh, you can get one of these things. Yeah, like, how would you sell 12 blueberry ones? We didn't make any.
Yeah, that's fine. You need to bring receipt still or no?
Yeah, if you don't mind, thank you. Right. And refrigeration. Whoops.
Some fruit,
Whoops.
my cake, carrot cheesecake, chippies, banana.
Banana. Uh-oh.
Oh, you're crushing the cake.
Yeah, cave's dust. Oh. It's fine.
So we're gonna walk around, probably check out the village because we have an hour to kill.
Is it an hour? Probably
Like an
about
hour
that.
and a half to kill. So.
I can't shake the simplest feeling.
That's the gondola we take up to go to blackcomb, Excalibur.
We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
These adorable. Yes. And the strawberry. They're $1.
All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the end is.
Coffee addict. That's me. Because that's where we checked in over there. And we drove into the place all the way down there somewhere. And we're here. The room tour. Whoa, high ceilings. This is the washroom. This is the shower. And you come out here. This is the kitchen and the fridge. This is the living room. And the balcony. This was a loft style room, so the bed is upstairs. This is the bed. And then all this space here. And a little TV. And that's the room tour. Later on, we went to a restaurant that was literally a 2-minute walk from our hotel. At first, I was kind of iffy about going to this restaurant because I just didn't really know what to expect. But I decided to give it a try, and I'm glad I did because it didn't disappoint me. We got 2 mains to share so we could try a little bit of everything. The pasta was probably my favorite, but the steak was cooked to perfection. Leaving the city and waking up in the mountains, even if it was just for a day, was such a nice refresh. Morning, so today's the next day. We check out in an hour and 15 minutes. It's 9:45 right now. Checkout's at 11. I think we're gonna get some coffee because can't function without coffee. And then maybe get something to eat there, but we did get some food at the grocery store yesterday, so we'll probably eat that and just get coffee, and then we are checking out of the hotel and driving back to Vancouver. Let's go get coffee! where we had dinner last night. I would give this
10 out of 10 busy.
what?
10 out of 10 busy.
No, the coffee. I'd give it like an 8.5 or a 9. It's really good. I don't like dislike it. Like it's not like I can't not drink it, but I've had better. So we check out in 30 minutes. So we have some fruit, pineapple, kiwi, and berries. It's just strawberries. And then this is the jumbo muffin. This looks so good and it feels so soft. Bye, Whistler. So we just checked out and we're on our way home, but I saw on this map this green lake. So I want to go check it out, see what it looks like, and kind of explore more of Whistler.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like that.